Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a home in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Home Management button, and then click on the Create a Home button. So first you have to enter the home name, and then you can set a location, but that's not mandatory. And then just select what type of rooms you want to be in your home. So like dining room, kitchen, study room, living room, and so on. And you can also like click on the blue circle if you don't want to use that type of room. So and if you are done, just click on the Save button, and home is successfully created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.